These are the horses that make the life-saving antivenom called Anascorp. Once a month, the horses come in from the field to do their duty. They live on this tranquil family ranch in central Mexico that they share with milk cows, roosters, and sheep. So, once a month, the horses get a good scrub down. Then they are taken into a holding pen, and the ranch hands prepare to draw the horse's blood. That's Dr. Andres Alagon explaining how the horses will be injected with scorpion venom. They start small, injecting the equivalent of half a sting. But in 6 months, these horses will be injected with an amount of venom equivalent to. They disinfect the horse's neck, then they insert a needle into the horse's neck vein. The horse will respond by making antibodies against the venom, and those antibodies are found in the horse's blood. The blood travels down through this tube. It goes through this wall and into a sterile laboratory where it's collected. This bag holds just over a gallon of horse blood. The blood will eventually get sent to a lab where it will be processed into this, Anti-Venom. The youngest patient to receive Anascorp was this little girl, Riley Wagley. She was just 25 days old when she got bitten by a scorpion. Without treatment, she could have died. Today, she's a normal, healthy 4-year-old. But she still has to watch out for scorpions. In Arizona, there will always be a need for good antivenom. That's a lot of them, huh? Fred Fox is a doctor at a clinic in Morenci, Arizona. He receives vials of Anascorp because his clinic participated in an FDA study of the drug.
My name is Fred Fox, MD, and I'm the medical director here at Gila Health Resources. And this is the study drug Anascorp we use for scorpion stings.